Why cheap packages are the most expensive choice? What is the real cost of a wedding photography and videography? And what actually makes up the price? This is one of the most common questions couples ask, and it's such an important one. Because let's be honest, in this industry, you'll see a huge range of offers. But the truth is, something truly high quality, beautiful, and elegant simply cannot be cheap. If someone tells you they can do it for very little, you probably already know what's behind that. So what actually makes up the cost of your package? First, it is the contents, how many photos, how many videos, whether drone coverage is included, and whether there are gifts or extras. Second, it is the professionalism of the team, people who know how to capture emotions, light, and details in the timeless and elegant way. Third, it is the equipment, professional cameras, lenses, drones, lighting stabilizers, and backup systems. All this ensures that nothing fails on your wedding day. And then there is post-production, which many people forget about. Weeks of editing, color correction, retouching, and sound design, plus safe storage of your data. Every single stage takes time and resources, and when you put it all together, it becomes clear why quality cannot come at a cheap price. If this breakdown has been helpful, make sure to like this video and leave a comment below. Finally, what sets us apart is that your package with us always includes full client support. You're never left waiting for answers. Our team works like clockwork, guiding you through every step so you always feel confident and supported. Our portfolio and all the links you need will be in the description of this video. Book a consultation today and we'll go through your questions, customize your package, and find the perfect fit for your wedding. And the best part, I'll add a special gift to your wedding package.